Good night, construction site. Cement Mixers ABC by Sherry Dusky Rinker and Ethan Long. Cement Mixer starts to work, and soon he begins to spin a tune. A is for all the words I'll find, construction words of every kind, from A to Z, just wait and see, but I wish my friend would sing with me. Nearby dozer clears some land and gets the site in shape as planned. No, thanks, he said. There's work to do. I'll just keep listening to you. There's B for bulldozer and his blade. C for concrete that I made. D for dump truck on the road. E for excavator with his load. F is for the form I fill. G for the gravel dump truck spills. And H is for the hazard lights that mark the sides of construction sites. Crane lifts an I-beam straight and strong. J is for jump as I bump along. Cement, water, sand, and gravel inside my big drum while I travel. I mix them up to make concrete, singing songs to keep the beat. K is for key and L's for lights. Check my signals left and right. All set now, M's for mix. Before N-O-P, now out it pours. Q, I'm one quick and clever guy. I pour it fast before it dries. R is for the road we've made. S for sun that starts to fade. Now teamwork, that's an awesome T. The teamworkest mixer, yep, that's me. Bulldozer tries to stay stern and proud, but hearing this makes him laugh out loud. U, I look up and see the moon. I know it will be nighttime soon. V, it's getting very dark. I'll stop my drum. It's time to park. And after a day of messy fun, W is for wash my drum. Look, bulldozer, we're all done. X marks the spot where I will rest and dream about what we'll do next. Y for yawn. Oh, it's time for bed. My singing's done. I'll sleep instead. But you didn't finish your ABC. You forgot about the letter Z. Bulldozer chuckles at his friend. I guess that's Z, so that's the end.